many kilometers?
10.
Press both brakes. Yes.
2.
Do your stunt. Come on, jump on it and trot. Ride your horse. Wow, engineering. What amazing ride. Can I give you an advice, babe? Can I give you a piece of advice? Go again, and this time put your body weight, like your breasts, your chest, on the handlebar line, because this bike has suspension on the floor, and it's a hardtail. So shift your body weight to the handlebars, but don't break the neck of the bike, okay? But shift your weight. You were like surfing on the back wheel. You were surfing on the back wheel like this. Yeah, I want you to do like this, and it become like a triangle, you know, like a. So the impact will come here, and it will go like this. So this is a cateto. This is a cateto, and this is the hypotenuse. Get what I mean? You have to make a triangle, like standing up. So look, this is
dangerous.
no. This is riding, maybe. So this is the shock. This is engineering. Okay, so this is the shock. So the impact the front wheel is receiving is pushing the force in this line. So when you're riding the bike, you have to bring your arms to the same line than the shock, and you let the front suspension work. And you let the hardtail just be a hardtail. Go, baby.